Good morning and welcome to this video game development series with Toby Preacher from Indie-Games.dev. We are developing my game Oh My Zombie, the game where you are the zombie. And this is my morning routine you're watching here right now. It's Friday. I got a lot of time today because I don't need to work actually. And today I'm moving forward into the new version 0.14 is done. It is out there. It's download. You can download it and test it. And now I'm focusing on this one. I want to build a hunger bar, and I want to add hunger into that game. So the player needs to eat the zombies to stay energized and not starving. And that's what I want to do. And first of all, I want to build a hunger bar, actually a UI element where I can visualize the hunger. So I will create an empty game object calling this hunger bar. This is the hunger bar. I will set the anchor to, let me see, top left. And I think I will have to do an offset. But let me first zero things out. Let's see. Put that on to make it more clear. 100 by 100. It's looking a bit messy here, but let me see. Disable the message system and the control hints. Yeah, I messed something up here. And also the hearts. Alright. So back to the hunger bar. I will create an UI image with a, let me see, what do I want to have? I want to have a width of 200 and a height of 20. Again, I put the anchor up left. And for the hunger bar component, let's get up there. Minus, let's say minus 30. All right. And also set the width to, say, 200. Oh, not 2000, 200. All right. No, I will set it to 220 and to 22. There we go. Zero that out. All right. So let's have a color. This will be the background. So I want to have a color something like that, slightly gray. And I also need, I will put this to the center actually, like that. Yeah, should be fine. And then I will do a background image. Put this up here. Call this one Now it will be the border, and this will be the background. There we go. All right, the border will be stretched like that. What do we have here? 220 background. $218 maybe. No, 216. Whoops. Nah. 218. Okay. That's fine. A white border. Do I want to have a white border? Yeah, for the moment it's fine. And then I will set a new, let's see, hunger bar UI image. Stretch it. Let me see. Stretch left. Zero the values out. And a width of 0, 0. And now I need a sprite for this. Let me see if I can work with a default sprite here. Set it to filled, horizontal and left. Let's have a blue color, something like this. Yeah, more like that. All right, and let me say, what do we have? 200. Yeah, I see the problem here. Okay, I can't use this image. I think I have to create my own image real quick. Let me see. Open up a GIMP. Create a new one, and I will set it to 1 by 1 pixel. Oh yeah. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. All right, I will fill it with white, pure white, just to make it sure that it is not transparent. Export. And let me see, where do I want to have it? Documents, game development. Where am I? Is it that one? Yes. Assets, graphics, UI. Then I'll call this, oops, I will call it white pigs. Export. Export. Wow. Such a big, huge image. Alright, let me change it. Where is my white pigs? White pigs, there it is. Alright. Now you can see the changes. And here you see we got this fill value. But somehow it's only going so far, and that's because of my width. I will put this to 218. 18. And I will set an offset of 1 pixel. No, 2 pixels. Let me see. Is it that what I want? Let me see. Yeah, it's 1 pixel. 1 pixel offset, yeah. And then we got the stretch on the y-axis 20. Oh no. No. 0. What is it? Is it better this way? This is the background. Well, it's inheriting it from here, so I need to set the height to 20 and then go here on the border and set the border don't set it to stretch. Or do you want to have it to stretch? Anchors. There we go. Want to have a width of 220. Whoa. 220. Zero that one out. And well, I guess I can't use stretch at that part. Let me see. It's the border, so I don't want to use stretch here. Maybe I want to use this value. Stretch, right. Can't see anything. Okay, yeah, that's how it should work. -1. -1. -1 and -1. Yeah, nice. So here's our slider bar, and you can see now it's getting filled. Actually, it's getting filled. Alright, maybe I want to have the border on the top and bottom. Want to have 2 pixels offset. 2 pixels. There we go. So I will call this slider. Alright. So that's the bar. I will replace the bar later. I will not use it forever because I want to have some custom UI sprite I have to paint. But for now, for testing, for the first version, I will use this bar. Okay, coffee is almost cold. Nothing better than a cold coffee. Alright, so next to do, I need a script. Let me have a script, but first I want to enable hearts, control hints, control hint, message system. And I want to get into play mode real quick. I want to see where my bar is, and as expected, it is way too high, so I have to kind of double, and I would be here. Yeah, I have to triple the offset amount. Where do I have this triple? It would be minus 90. Alright, let's see. Yeah, that's okay, and I want to have an offset on this side. Maybe this is like 5 pixels. Plus 5. Let me see. No, that's not enough. 10. 10 pixels. Yeah, that's better. Okay, I will stick with that. Alright. Not extraordinary beautiful, but good for now. So now I want to do a script, and I got a little cheat sheet here. Got my tablet here, and I got a little script how I can do this actually, and so I will orientate on that. Okay, let's go to the scripts. And how do I want to name this? I want to name it hunger bar create C# script hunger bar. Yeah, hunger bar. Alright, let's edit the script. There we go. My favorite part, scripting. Alright, let's remove that. And then we say, whoops, wait, no, hello. So, I want to have a private image. And I need to add using what is it, UI? It is Unity dot, no, it's Unity Engine actually, dot UI. There we go. Private image, and I will call it bar image. And then awake on private void awake bar image equals to transform.find, and it is called, how's it called? I have to see. Let me see what I got here in my inspector. It is called slider. Do I want to rename this? I should have a slider. I will name it hunger slider. Hunger slider. Yup. Hunger slider. Okay, I want to find hunger slider. Dot get component. And then I want to have the image components. All right. And in order to test it, I will set bar image equals bar image dot fill amount, and that's the property I want to modify. And I will say it will be to, let's say, 0.4 f. Let's test. Oh, I should first add the script to the hunger bar. Yeah, there we go. And you see the value is set. All right. That's what I wanted to see. Okay. And then I want to do a new class. Public class hunger. And I want to have a public constant int max and then hunger. And this is equals to 100. I want to have a private float. Hunger amount. And a private float. Hunger decrease. Hunger value decrease amount. We'll call it like that. Alright, since it's an OM class, I need a constructor. So public mana. No, it's let me think. Public hunger. And public hunger. And I need a constructor here, which is the hunger amount equals to max hunger. And the hunger value decrease amount, I want to have it to, let's say, 20. All right, I want to have a public void update. And on update, I want to say hunger amount minus equals hunger value decrease amount times time dot delta time. Okay. Then I want to have a public void how do I want to have it? I will call it eat, public void eat, and I will take an int amount, and then if hunger amount is smaller than max hunger, then I want to set the hunger amount equals to amount. There we go. So this will fill up the hunger bar. All right. So let me just check my cheat sheet. So this is actually a tutorial how to do those things, and let me take a look. All right, I need one more function, and that's gonna be a public float, and I will call it get hunger normalized. And I will return the hunger amounts. Sorry guys. Divided by max hunger. All right. And then I think I have to do a hunger amount equals mathf.clamp, and I'm gonna clamp it to value will be hunger amount, and minimum value will be 0, and the max value will be max hunger. All right, so okay, I pretty much got this. Just want to check what I want to do next. I want to have some kind of function or something that will decrease this. Okay. What I need to do up here. Let's comment this one out. And then I need to say hunger. No, I need another thing. I need a private hunger. Then I will set hunger equals new hunger. And then I also need a update function. Private void update, and I have to say hunger update, and then bar image dot fill amount equals to hunger dot get hunger normalized. Okay, that should be working. Let's test. So it should be decrease the hunger amount. And yes, there we go. You can see the hunger is decreasing. That's what I want to have. But it's decreasing very fast. So let me see. That's too fast. Where do I have it? Hunger decrease. Let's set it to actually 5F. And test. Alright, now you can see it's slowly decreasing. That's what I want to have. And then when this hunger amount reaches the bottom, the player will start losing health. But this is something I will do in the next episode. So I will take a quick break now. I say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. There will be more videos like this in the future. And I'm really excited to get this new version out, work on these features and make the gameplay more exciting. So stay healthy guys, always stay amazing, and I see you in the next one.